Hello, this is Amber Wood and welcome to my video. Today, you guys, I'm going to try some new magnetic eyeliner. So I've tried some magnetic eyelashes before and that video was actually a disaster. So if you wanted to check that out, please click here. But I got the wrong size and I didn't really know what I was doing. And it didn't really work for me. It didn't stay because these are the ones that you had to put top and bottom. And I felt like it was just not secure the whole time. And so I kind of gave up on the whole magnetic eyelash thing. And so then recently I saw to apply my regular lashes, you can put the glue on, paint it on like a liner, and then just put the lash on top. And I tried it and it's amazing. I have an IGTV video of me trying that. So if you wanted to see how to do that, please go watch that video on my Instagram. But today I'm going to be trying this. I got it at Walmart. It's by Eylure Pro Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. I don't remember how much it cost. I think it was around $15. I'm not sure. I've heard that it works great, but we're going to put it to the test today. I read up on it a little bit. It says that I'm supposed to apply 3 layers of the eyeliner, and we'll just kind of see how this works. So it comes in this packaging. There's the eyelashes there and the eyeliner. So far they look like regular lashes. They don't look different to me. Now I remember the magnetic lashes that I had before. Oh, I can see the magnets. Okay, so it looks like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it looks like there's 4 magnets across the eyelashes. But they blend in pretty well. Like at first I didn't notice them. So I feel like I already feel more confident that this is going to work better than the ones that I've tried before. So I guess their technology is just getting better the more people try it and they're like, yeah, that didn't work. This is the little liner packaging. It's got 25 mils. It says step 1, apply liner and allow to dry. Step 2, apply 2 more coats. Step 3, apply the magnetic lash to liner. Safe for daily wear, easy and gentle removal, 5-minute application. Faux mink wispy is what I got. Okay, so it just looks like regular black eyeliner. So we'll go ahead and put a, jacked it up as usual. We'll put a layer on. Let that dry. So it looks like regular eyeliner. I don't see, it doesn't feel like anything crazy or different so far. I'm wondering if I need to cut, but see, usually I cut my lashes because my eyes are small. I usually cut the end off, but if I do that with these, I'll be cutting off a magnet. So I guess I'm not gonna cut these. I wonder if that's an option that they could work on, is the sizing. Like not everybody's eyes are that wide for the future. Number 2. Oh, that's a little thick. I went a little higher than I wanted, but it's still okay. It doesn't look crazy. I think I need to come a little bit more on the inside here. This is where my eyelashes always jack up. They always have problems sticking with the regular glue on that inner corner. I don't know if that's you guys too, but even when I'm doing makeup on somebody else, I was just doing makeup on some clients this past weekend, and that was an issue. It's just that inner corner, getting that to stick is always an issue, but I don't know. We'll see if this works. Okay, so the next step, I've done the 3rd layer off camera because that's like, okay, we've seen it. So the next step is to go ahead and just apply the actual lash. So I'm gonna see what happens. Here we go. I'm nervous. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's on. My concern is like how secure is it gonna feel? Okay, so it's on. I don't know. Like I feel like there's something on my eye. Let's try this one. Okay, it's on there. I mean, it works. I just don't know how secure I feel. That's the only issue. I feel like there's something on my eye. Like I can feel it. Oh yeah, this one's popping up. Okay, so here's my assessment. I mean, I'd have to definitely do a wear test, and I'll do that this evening and wear these for a while and see how it feels, but I feel like it's better than putting the top and the bottom on the lashes. I think this is a better strategy, but look, you can already see this one is coming up on that inner corner, just like I mentioned, because you might have to like curve them more. If I curl like the base of the lash more, does it stay more? Okay, well that, I don't know, y'all. Like, I thought this was gonna be like a miracle, like, yay, look at how cool this is. Okay, so here's my assessment. This design is better than the first time, but I still don't feel like it's part of me. You know what I mean? Like, when I use regular lashes and glue them on, like, they feel like they're mine. You know, it's connected to my body. This feels like it's just sitting on top. I don't know. Please comment below. Tell me what you think. Have you tried these before? I'm gonna wear these for a little while and I'll come back and let you know my final thoughts. But so far, I think it's better. And for people that maybe have trouble applying lashes, that was pretty easy. I just worry about the length of them. Like, you can't alter that at all because you'll cut off the magnet. Like, I wanted it to work, like, amazing. I mean, it works. It's not bad. And it looks good. This looks way better than the last time I did it. Plus, I bought the wrong kind anyway. The last time I did the magnetic video, I bought the kind of lashes that it was just the edge, and I just didn't understand why it wasn't working right. But then I realized, dummy, you bought the wrong kind of lashes. So at least these go all the way across, but it just depends on what you prefer. I think it's a personal preference. I'm gonna wear them for a while though, and I'll come back and let you know, see how it's lasted. So I'll be back. Okay, so I've had these eyelashes on for almost 5 hours. I think they look okay. They kind of feel weird because I just feel like there's something sitting on top of my eyes. It doesn't feel like it's part of my body. And I think that's the difference. I have noticed that they seem to have come off a bit, and it looks like the eyeliner came off too. I've not really touched them. Now my son has touched them. If you want to see, here's a quick little video of my son messing with them.
I see it.
You see my eyebrow?
How many does she have?
He hasn't. Oh, sweetheart. You're a good boy. He's cute. Yeah, thank you. Okay. I wasn't sure if he was going to rip those eyelashes off or not, but he was more interested in my eyebrows for some reason. But anyway, so here's my assessment. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off, but it looks like some of the eyeliner has come off on this side, especially. And the inner corners, I've not really touched them. So the inner corners have come off. It's still on. Oh, look. That just came off. Let's see. I mean, okay, we're taking them off. Let's see. Okay, so that one kind of ripped off some of the eyeliner. Will that go back on? Oh, nope, guess not. Well, I dropped it. For God's sake. I don't even know what happened to it. Is it in my shirt or my hair? That's usually what happens. Let's take it off, right? I'm gonna use a makeup wipe. See how easily the eyeliner comes off? Now, I had some of my eyeliner underneath it. Okay, it comes off pretty easily. Okay, might as well just take off the rest of my makeup while we're at it. So, final assessment is I think this is definitely an improvement since they very first started doing magnetic lashes. I think the eyeliner is a better way to go because trying to do that top and bottom business, that was just not working at all. I think this is a better product. I still think that I prefer gluing my eyelashes on. For security, I think I wore these about 5 hours, and all night I felt like they were about to fall off. I felt like they were just sitting on top of my eye. I never felt like it was actually connected or a part of my body. So I think that's just really the difference. Now, if you're a person that has a hard time putting lashes on, the normal glue lashes on, or you just are allergic to the glue, or maybe some of those reasons, then this may be something for you to try. So I do recommend the brand. I love Eylure. I've used their eyelashes before. I think they have great products. So I'm not saying it's a bad product. I'm just saying it's not necessarily for me. I applaud their efforts. So I think it's time to go to bed. And find my eyelash. I feel like I'm gonna find it like stuck to my shirt or like, I don't know. I found it! It was on the floor. I found it. It's safe. Everybody can relax. Calm down, everybody. And here's a cute picture of me from earlier. Thanking you for watching this video. Hey, and so if you like this video, please make sure and give it a like down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell so you get a little note every time I have a new video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye!